guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today's video, as you can already tell from the title, I'm gonna be showing you some stuff that I got from Temu. You know Temu, you know that app that everybody's talking about these days. I'm pretty sure you have heard about it, but if not, I'm here to tell you all about it. You know what I'm saying? They have a lot of stuff on their website or on the app, whichever you prefer to use. It includes clothing, electronics, like everything, just name it, they have it. So I have reviewed stuff from them before on a previous video. On that video I had a lot of different stuff, but today is gonna be clothing, just clothing, okay? Maybe a pair of shoes and a bag, you know what I'm saying? So this video today, guys, I strongly believe you're gonna enjoy it because I got some real good stuff to show you. So like I said, this is gonna be fashion, just clothing, and I did one for them the other day, not too long ago. I just posted it on my Instagram this week and on TikTok, so if you follow me there, you probably have seen it. So I got some similar stuff here with me today, and I'm just gonna go right into it without any further ado. By the way, the shirt I'm wearing is also from them. This was the first thing I got from them, and this was for free. This is how I knew about them. I follow somebody on Instagram that, you know, promoted them, and that's how I got this for free, because I listen. But anyway, with Temu, their products are very like inexpensive. I don't like to use the word cheap because the materials, to me, they're not cheap materials. So I'm not gonna say they're cheap, but they're very inexpensive, very affordable, and I feel like it's good quality stuff. I can definitely say that. So I'm gonna show you all the stuff I got, and what I don't like I will let you know, and what I like I will let you know. Okay guys, so this box right here is filled with all the things from them that I'm gonna be showing you. It's a few stuff, and you know, I'm not trying to keep y'all here all day, so we're gonna start with this. It's actually a suit, a pantsuit. So let me just scoot over here so we could put the video up here, you know, of me trying it on. So yeah, this is the pantsuit. This is the other parts for it, the hoodie for it, pullover, blah blah blah, whatever you want to call it. But I like this, guys, because something about the material. It says that it's 35% cotton, 65% polyester. I'm gonna go and grab another one that I really like. This is the reason why I cannot really pick a favorite, because this dress right here, y'all, this maxi dress right here, oh my gosh, this was beautiful on me. Like, look at that, guys. I had my eye on this dress for a while now. For a while I've been seeing it up there, and I had my eyes on it. I was hoping that it would fit me and that it would look good on me, and guess what? It did. It fit me and it looked good on me. So this is actually one of my favorite things. Okay, next we have this pink pants right here, guys, and let me just tell you right now that I like it. I don't really like the way the top of it fit. I feel like it's sliding down, and I think that's because it's not jeans, and I thought it was jeans when I was getting it. But other than that, I don't see anything wrong with it. I really like the style of it, and I mean, I think it's okay, very well okay to wear in the summertime, you know what I'm saying? So if I'm gonna wear this to go out, I'm gonna definitely wear like a maybe like a t-shirt, something that's gonna cover the waist of it, and that will be it. That will be it. It will look just fine. Like I said, I just didn't like the way the waist of it was like sliding down, you know what I'm saying? So I think for this pants I would have to keep pulling it up I don't know if I wear a belt with it, if that's gonna make a difference, but other than that, I really like it. I really like the way the foot of it look. I like that little design going on down there, or whatever they want to call that. I like it. I got me a bag and it says basketball. I got me a bag that looked like a basketball. Oh my god, y'all, I really love this. I've been seeing these and I thought to myself that I don't know, I don't think I would like those, but you know what, I went on their website, I saw them, I'm like, you know what, let me just try it and see, and I absolutely love it. And as you can see, I put it on with that white suit, and it looks really good with it. Like, so I already know what I would wear it with. I just need some sneakers to finish off the look. Look at how cute it is, guys. Oh my gosh. And it came with a long strap. This was inside of it and I put it onto it, but I absolutely love it. Love this. Next up, we have this pants right here, and let me tell y'all right now, I do not like it. The material is amazing, but look, I don't know if y'all could see, maybe my booty isn't big enough. I like the color, I really like the material too, I just don't like the stitching. I feel like the front of it right here, it came up too much into the front like that, and that's how it looks on me. Maybe it needs somebody with a bigger, you know, peach and then maybe it would look good, but mine is like, you know, tiny. But I don't know if that's the problem, but that looks like my problem right there. But that's my least favorite, so don't worry, we don't have no more that I don't like in here. So I'm gonna show this to y'all, and I'm not gonna say anything. I want y'all to tell me what you think it looks like when you see it on me. So this is a pajama, right? This is the bottom. It only comes with a pants and it comes with a robe, okay? I don't know if this is the reason why it looked like what it looks like to me. I asked my son what he think it looks like, so we're gonna see if you think the same thing as I did and as he did. So just leave it in the comments, okay? Leave it in the comments. So this is the robe right here. I think it's beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, I really like the material. I like the way it feels, I like the way it looks on me. It looks really nice on me, really decent. So the length of the pants is perfect too, as you guys can see. It looks really nice. It's something that I'm definitely gonna be wearing in the house. But just tell me what you think it looks like. Tell me in the comment box, because I wanna know. I wanna know how many of y'all gonna say the same thing. Alright, let's move on. These are a bunch of tank top. These I did not pick these. They send these to me, so I didn't try them. These are stuff that I would sleep in, because I don't wear tank top go out. Y'all never see me in anything like that, showing off my belly and all of that. No, I don't wear those things to go outside, so I didn't try these on. I don't have my reasons, you know what I'm saying? Feel free to go on their website and get them if you like to wear those things to go out. But me, I'm just gonna sleep in them. I absolutely love this shirt, guys. I really love it. The color, of course, is my favorite. It looks pinkish on the camera. Does it? Maybe it's me. I don't know. But it's like, it's brown, black, and white. For some reason, it looks kind of pinkish. I don't know. Maybe I'm just seeing things. But anyway, I really love it. It has one pocket on it on the left side, as you can see, and the buttons are snapped buttons. That's what they are. I think the size is perfect for me. I think I got all the size in small. I believe so. Yeah, this is small. I really like it. I like the color, I like the texture, I like so much about it. This is actually one of my favorite of them all. The length is perfect. I mean, the sleeve length is perfect. As you can see, it covers my watch when I was wearing it. And so yeah, I really love it. So last but not least, we have these. So these I think are so adorable. When I saw them on there, I knew I had to get them. They are so nice and comfy. I think they are, for the price, for their cheapness and all of that stuff, I think they are so adorable, so comfy, so soft and everything, and they fit perfectly. I wear size 7. I did not have to go up on the size. Oh yeah, it says 38 on the bottom, so just in case you want to know what size to get, I wear size 7 and I got a size 38 on their website. And as for the clothes that I show you guys, I wear size small, but everything I get from them is it fits perfectly fine. I never really have to go up a size with anything. And you know what, when I'm buying online, I'm usually like, is this gonna fit, is this gonna fit, and you know, stuff like that. So I'm usually worried like that, and I know some of you guys are too. So that's the reason why I'm telling y'all what size I wear, and I don't feel like you have to go up a size, you know, on it. Yeah, I think that's about it. If I missed anything, guys, if you have any questions about the stuff that I show you today, definitely leave that in the comment box below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. When I did the last Temu videos, there were comments that I should do more like this. So if y'all want to see more like this, you know what to do. Anyway, if you like this video, if you think it was helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I would appreciate that also. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.